Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to change IMO call ringtones by using your Android mobile, but this trick maybe works on iOS device because the setting location is common. So nowadays this IMO is providing best video calling feature when compared to the WhatsApp Messenger application. At same time, most of the IMO users are worrying because it has the default ringtone and they does not like it. So if you like to change this IMO caller tunes, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your IMO application in your Android mobile or iOS device. Now in this homepage section, you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at bottom of left side. And then it shows my IMO profile, but you can go to settings. And one more settings window is opening. So in this section you can select notifications and the second one. So here it shows lots of notification related settings, but you can scroll down and then go to call settings section. So finally I located. So if you want to change your IMO caller tunes, just press this ringtones option and it is placed under the call settings. So here you can choose your ringtone location. And one more time you can choose your location. But in future, if this IMO release new update, the setting location is may varying. So this is the way you can easily change your IMO caller tunes by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.